take the textbook, no? You can keep the textbook along with you, no problem. Then you write the question. For you only I have written the question on the board. Assuming that few of you are not having textbook, my dear, the board is as clear as water now. I am clearly able to see you write. Now let us start. No. You have to write down the question. You have to write down the question in the notebook. In textbook, nothing should be written. In the textbook, nothing should be written. Whatever you will write, that you will write in the notebook. The same thing I have written on the board, you have to write in the textbook. Identify the pairs of like decimal. Sideways you can write. See, yesterday we have seen like decimal. Like decimal means after point, the number of digits should be same. After point, there should be same number of digits. For example, after point, there is one digit. After point, there are two digits. So after, yes, like and unlike. So after point, they should have same number of decimal, same number of digits. So after point, there is one digit. After point, there are two digits. There are two digits. So they are not same. After point, there is one digit. After point, there are two digits. So they are not same. So I will write unlike. Yes, unlike. The same thing for second. After point, there are three digits. And after point, there are three digits. Are you getting? Yes, after point, there are three digits, 1, 2, 3. After point, there are three digits, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes. After point, after decimal, the number of digits should be same. So after point, there are three digits, 1, 2, 3. After point, there are three digits, 1, 2, 3. So they are like decimals. Now next is 32.22. After point, there are two digits. After point, there are three digits. There are three digits. So they are unlike. They are, yes, unlike. After point or after decimal, the number of digits should be same. The same thing for D. Yes. Okay. Yes. Let me see. There is no request. Tell him to send me the request. Yes. 40.13. After decimal, there are two digits. After decimal, there are three digits. So they are unlike. Unlike, three digits. After decimal, after point, there is one digit. After point, there is one digit. Yes. Mute the microphone. Like. So after point or decimal, the number of digits should be same. If after point or decimal, if the number of digits are same, they are like decimals. If after point, the number of digits are different, they are unlike decimals. Then 0.303, after point there are three digits. After point there are three digits. Yes, like decimals. So after point, the number of digits should be same. Yes. Now this is over ABC. Yes, ABC. Wait, ABC part is over. Only I will erase ABC. Yes, right. Yes, right. Chalo. Right, only I am erasing a part. Then after F, there is G. Yes. Yes. 1 minute. अभी आया रिक्वेस्ट. now. Yes. Yes. चलो. Now F. Now we'll do G. G is 59.14. 59.14 and 59. We'll see 59.14, 59.14 and 59.311. 59.311. So after point, after point we see the number of two digits, three digits. So it is unlike. Yes, it is unlike. Then G, H. Yes, mute the microphone. Now H 0.8 and 0.8 and 0.80. 0.80 same as 0.80. Remember. We'll see. See, 0.80 same as 0.80. If before decimal there is no digit, means it is 0. So H, 0.8, 0.80, 0.80. Yes. So after decimal there is one digit. After decimal there are two digits. So they are unlike. They are unlike. You write answer. 0.80 same as 0.80. 0.80 same as, you can write 0. Yes, if you don't write 0, no problem. Then I 7.3, 0.3, yes, 0.3 and 7.3. 0.3 and 7.3. You count after decimal, how many digits are there? One digit, one digit. So they are like. Answer is like. Answer is like. Yes, mute the microphone. Mute the microphone. Yes, mute the microphone. So after decimal or after point, we count the number of digits. If the number of digits are same after decimal, the fractions are, yes, right. The fractions are like fractions. Yes, mute the microphone. After point or digit, after point or decimal, we count the number of digits. Now after decimal there is one digit, after point there is one digit, so they are same. Mute the microphone. Yes. Yes. Convert the following group to like this. Yes. Convert the following to like decimal. Please mute the microphone. Please mute the microphone. Convert the following to like decimals. Convert the following to like decimals. Convert the following to like decimals. We'll see that part. Yes. Convert the following to like decimals. Convert the following to like decimals. Like decimal means after point, the number of digits should be same. Second, we write second. Convert the following group. Convert the following group. Convert the following group. Convert the following group into yes. Yes, what happened? Group. Convert the following group to like. चलो to. चलो right. To like decimal. They are the same. Now let us take A. Yes, A. Yes, wait. Yes, that is what in whenever there is in between request, the setting changes. Wait. Now right, it is clear. Convert the following. Now it is clear. It is clear now, right? 3.8. Wait. 3. My dear, wait. H is unlike 3.8. 3.8. I am doing A. 3.8. Then 34. 34.629. 26.23. 26.23. Wait. Then 4.06. 4.06. There are 4 numbers given. Convert them into like. Yes. Convert them into like fraction or like decimals. Convert them into like decimals. So what we do in this? See here. After decimal there is how many digit? 1. After decimal there is how many digit? 3. After decimal there is how many digit? 2. After decimal there are how many digit? 2. So 1, 3, 2, 2. So after point the maximum number of digit is 3. The maximum number of digit is 3. Wait. The maximum number of digit is 3. So to convert the other into like decimals, I will after decimal I will make the digit as 3. So how we make the digit as 3? By adding 2 zeros to the right. To the right of decimal we add 2 zeros. In decimal, to the right of decimal we add 2 zeros. Because the maximum digit is 3. Maximum digit after decimal is 3. So we write 3.8, then we add 2 0, 800. Then 34.629 will remain same. Wait, 34.629 3 digit, then 26.23. We want after decimal 3 digit. After decimal we want 3 digit. So I will add 1 0 to the right. See, always add 0 to the right of the decimal. This is my right. To the right of decimal we add 0. Then 4.06. 4.06 we add 1 0. To convert the given decimal, unlike decimal. Who is presenting? Yes. See here. To convert. Mute the microphone. Yes. Now to convert the given into like decimal, 3.8. After point there is 1 digit. After point there are 3 digits. After point there are 2 digits. After point there are 2 digits. So the maximum number of digits is 3. So to convert them into like decimal, I will make after decimal I will make the digit of each number as 3. So 8 is there. So to make this 3 digit I will add 2 0 to the right of decimal. Always remember, you cannot add before 8. Before 8 you cannot add 0. Always you have to add 0 to the right of the decimal after 8. Then this is already 3. Now this is 2 digit. This is 2 digit, we want 3, 2, 3, 0. Then 4.06, I will add 1 0, 0, 6, 0. So now they are like decimals. Yes, we have to make all. Yes. Always you have to add 0 to the right of the decimal. To the right of decimal. Now are like decimals. So now all are having 3 digits after decimal. Are like decimals. Are like decimals. Because all are having 3 digits after the decimal. Yes, right. You have to write. Now, see here, you will always add 0 to the right of the decimal. To the right of the decimal, you will add 0. So 3.8. So 0.8. So after 8, I will add 0. Not before add. So, wait. We have to always add 0 to the right of the decimal. This you remember and keep it in the mind. Always 0 will be added to the right of the decimal. Now second B, let me write B 0.407, then 0.7, then 0.007, 0.007 and 0.70. So first you have to find the maximum number of digit after decimal. So this is 3 digit, this is 1 digit, this is 2 digit, this is 2 digit. To convert them into like decimal, we want the number of digit after decimal same. Now in this the maximum number of digit is 3. So we write 0.407 as it is. This is 3 digit. So yes, I will add 0.7, but there is 1 digit. We want 3 digits, so I will add 2 0. Then next 0.07. 07 is 2 digit. I want 3 digit. I will add 1 0. Then 0.70, we want 3 digits, so I will add 1 more 0. Yes. So are like decimals. Are like this. They are like decimals. They are. No. Always you have to add 0 to the right of the decimal. Always you have to add 0 to the right of the decimal. Now see, question number C, 2.83. 2.83. Wait. We will decide now. 2.83, 2.384, 2.3 and 0.004. Wait. 0.004. Now it is clear, right? Yes, clear, right. 0.004. This is C. Now D I am writing 36.986. 36. C and D I am giving homework. 36.986, 138.6, 138.6. Wait, why are you in a hurry? What happened? Now C will be homework. Yes, C will be homework. D I am solving. Yes, D I will solve. You raise the volume of your phone. Yes. Now let me do the D. Yes. Now let's C will be homework. Let us do the D part. D part is slightly. No, only C is homework. Only C I am giving homework. D I will do, because D different. Yes, very good. Now D 36.986 36.986, then 138.6 138.6, 7.2, then 27.02. See here, this you remember, to convert them into like decimals, we see the number of digit after point. We see the number of digit after point, not before the point. We are interested in the number of digit after point. So this is 3 digit, this is 1 digit, this is 1 digit, and this is 2 digit. So the maximum number of digit is 3. So I will make the after decimal 8 digit 3. Each number is having digit 3. 36.986 we write as it is. Then 138.6. After point there is 1 digit. We want 3. So I will add 2 0. Then 7.2. 7.2. After point we want 3 digit. 2 0 0. 27.02. We add 2 0. Yes. Are like decimals. Yes. Yes. Are like decimals. Yes. Start writing third. No problem. Are like decimal. See here. So this you remember, to convert unlike decimal into like decimal, we add 0 to the right of the decimal. This you remember. Notebook. Yes. But there is no request from her side, no. Unless and until there is request, how I can admit? So tell her to send me the request for joining. I will admit. So now compare. Compare means wait. Compare means you have to write greater, less than, or equal to. Compare means you have to write the symbol greater than, less than, or equal to. You have to use the symbol greater, less than, or equal to. Now third, compare the following decimals. Third, compare the following decimal. First is 0.4, 0.4, then box 0.5. Wait, my dear. 0.4 and 0.5. See, always you have to remember that you will start comparing the number from left to right. This direction you have to remember. Start comparing the number from left to right. This direction. Wait, you have to always compare the number from left to right. So now see here. 0 is same as 0, whole part. Now after decimal it is 4. After decimal it is 5. Now 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. So 0.4 is less than 0.5. Because after yes, you write down the reason. 4 is less than 5. So that is why 0.4 is less than 0.5. You have to compare the digits from left to right. Left to right is the direction of comparing the digit. Yes, 0.06, 0.06, then 0.01, 0.01. Now let us compare the digit. This whole number is 0, whole number 0, they are equal. Then after point there is 0, after point there is 0. Then at 100th position it is 6 and it is 1. It is 6 and it is 1. So what I will write? I will write 6 is greater than 1. 6 is greater than 1. So 0.06 is greater than 0.01. 6 is, yes. 6 is greater than 1. Now see 4, then box. No, 0.9. Wait. Now we compare the number. Yes, 4 means it is 4.0. This you remember. 4 means whole part is 4 and whole part is 0. Which is greater? Yes, 4. Whole part is 4, whole part is 0. So we write 4 is greater than 0. So 4 is greater than 0.9. 4 is greater than 0.9. Because whole part, what is the whole part? 4. Before decimal we have 4 and it is 0. 4 is greater than 0. Yes, mute the microphone. 4 is greater than 0. You have to compare the whole part first. Next is 0.7 D. 0.7. 0.7. Hmm? 0.7. Yes. Let see if there. Now write 0. Let us write D 0.7 and 0.07 D. Let us write D. Wait. D is 0.7 and 0.07. 0.07. Yes. Now which is number? See, this 0 whole part is same as 0. Then after point it is 7. After point it is 7. You have to compare the digits from left always. Remember, after point, after point it is 7 and after point it is 0. This you remember, 7 is greater than 0. Are you getting this? After point, the first digit is, 0.7 is greater. Because after point it is 7, after point it is 0 and 7. Because see, after point it is 7, after point it is 0 and 7 is greater than 0. So 0.7 will be greater than 0.07. This you remember. Next E. Yes, who is shouting? 1.34. What? 1.34 and 1.3. 1.34 and 1.3. Now see, we compare the digits from left. 1 is same as 1. Then after point it is 3. After point it is 3. Now there it is 4. So see here, there it is 4. So what I will do? I will convert this into like decimal. See here, 1.34 and 1.3. I will convert this into like decimal. So by writing 1.30, this 1.3 I can write 1.30. 1 is same as 1, 3 is same as 3, and this 4. Now we have 4 and we have 0. So 4 is greater than 0. So this will be greater than 1.34 will be greater than 1.3, because 1.3 I can write 1.30. just now we have seen, to convert them into like decimal, I can add 1 0 because the number of digit after decimal is 2. Here it is 1, so I can add 1 0 and then compare the digit. Because 1 is same as 1, then after point it is 3, they are equal, then 4. Now 4 is greater than 0. 1.3 I can write 1.30, this you remember, by adding 0 to the right of the decimal. Now 4 is greater than 0. So 4 is greater than 0, that is why 1.34 is greater than 1.3. Then F 1.34 is greater than 1.3. So first you convert them into like decimals and then compare the digit, no problem. 0.066, yes, 0.066 F 0.066 and 0.16. We'll see. So now we compare the digit. Yes, see. So this is 0, 0. Then after point it is 0. After point it is 1. Are you getting? So this will be 0 is less than 1. So this will be greater. Then G 1.2 and 1.20. See here, 1.2 and 1.20. See this part. 1.2 and 1.20. See here, we have to compare. Yes, we have to compare the digits from left. 1 is same as 1, 2 is same as 2. Then 1.2, I can write them into like decimal by adding 0. By adding 0, we have to convert them into like decimal. So 0 is same as 0. So they are equal. Because we have converted them into like decimal. 1.2, I can write 1.20 by adding 0 to. Yes. See, 1.2, I can convert them into like decimal by adding 0 to the right. So 1.20 and this is 1.20, they are equal. Yes. 1.261 and 1.270. 1.270. 1.261. It is clear. 1.261, 1.270. You have to compare the digits. See here, 1.261, 1.270. Now let us compare the digit. 1, then after decimal 2, 6, and it is 7. So we write 6 is less than 7. So 1.261 is less than 1.270. Then wait, we have 2 minutes are there. Yes, 2 minutes are. Yes, 2 minutes we are having. 1.2.2 and 2.200. 2.2 and 2.200. 2.2. See here. F 2.2 and 2.200. Now let us see. 2.2. Wait, 200. See here. Wait, and it is I. Wait, 2.2 and 2. Now it is clear, right? See here. See here, we have to convert them into like decimal. After point there are 3 digits. After point there is 1 digit. So this, yes, I can add 0. Now I will compare. 2 is 2, 2 is 2, 0 is 0, 0 is 0. So they are equal. They are equal. Right. So 2.2 and 2.200 are equal. So they are equal. Yes. Yes. Now we stop here. Bye. Bye. Now we stop here.